Are you tired of diets that leave you hangry and dreaming of donuts? I feel you. Dieting shouldn't feel like a punishment. What if I told you that eating healthy doesn't have to mean boring salads and tasteless tofu? Get ready to ditch the diet dogma because we're diving into the best foods for a healthy lifestyle that'll leave you feeling energized, satisfied, and maybe even showing off that six-pack you've been dreaming about. We're talking about real food here, people. The kind that tastes amazing and fuels your body from the inside out. No more deprivation, no more restrictions, just good vibes and even better food. We're about to unlock the secrets to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle that doesn't involve counting calories or living off kale smoothies. Before we dive in, tell me, what are your top 3 fitness goals for the next 6 months? Drop them in the comments below. Maybe it's losing weight, gaining muscle, or just fitting into those jeans from last year. Let me know, I'm rooting for you. Let's crush those goals together. All right, let's talk carbs, the good kind. You've heard it before. Whole grains are the superheroes of the carb world, keeping you fuller for longer and providing that steady energy you need to conquer your day. But let's be real, who gets excited about a plain bowl of oats? I mean, they're like the blank canvas of the breakfast world, right? Don't worry, I'm about to turn that frown upside down. We're about to transform those humble oats into a flavor-packed fiesta. Here's a trick. Throw in a handful of your favorite berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, go wild. Then add a dollop of creamy almond butter for that perfect balance of sweet and salty. Boom! Suddenly, your oatmeal feels like dessert. And hey, while we're at it, let's talk bread. I know carbs are often demonized, but whole grains are a different story. Want to avoid that mid-morning energy slump that has you reaching for another cup of coffee? Swap out your white bread for whole grain and watch your energy levels soar. Whole grains are like the Energizer Bunny of the food world. They keep going and going. Plus they're packed with fiber, which keeps things moving and grooving in your digestive system. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Quick quiz. What's your go-to carb? Are you a pasta fanatic, a bread enthusiast, or maybe a rice aficionado? Let us know in the comments. We're all about building a carb-loving community here. Oh, and before I forget, a quick public service announcement: quinoa might be trendy and delicious, but don't call it quinoa at the store unless you want some serious side eyes from the cashier. It's quinoa. You're welcome. Now you can confidently navigate the quinoa aisle like a pro. Let's talk protein, the building blocks of our muscles and the secret weapon for feeling full and satisfied. We all know the usual suspects. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, they're like the reliable friends of the protein world, always there for you. But are you ready to level up your protein game? Get ready to meet the undercover superheroes of the food world. Plant-based proteins, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These guys are packed with protein and fiber and they're ready to rock your world. Don't believe me? Toss some roasted chickpeas on your salad and watch your taste buds do a happy dance. Seriously, roasted chickpeas are a game changer. They get crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and they're like the perfect blank canvas for all your favorite seasonings. A sprinkle of smoked paprika, a dash of garlic powder, boom! You've got yourself a healthy, protein-packed snack that's way more exciting than a bag of chips. And hey, eating lean protein doesn't mean choking down dry chicken breast every meal. We're all about flavor here. Marinades are your best friend when it comes to making lean protein taste amazing. A little bit of lemon juice, some herbs, a splash of soy sauce, the possibilities are endless. But a word of caution from someone who's been there: watch out for those extra spicy marinades. Unless, of course, you enjoy the feeling of your mouth being on fire. Been there, done that, learned my lesson the hard way. So tell me, what's your favorite protein source? Are you team meat or team plant-based? Let's settle the debate in the comments. And hey, if you've got any secret protein hacks up your sleeve, share those too. We're all in this together. Chapter 3. Fruits and veggies. Taste the rainbow. Conquer your cravings. Let's talk about the vibrant world of fruits and veggies. They're colourful, they're packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and they make you feel virtuous just looking at them. But let's be real, sometimes a plain apple or a side of steamed broccoli just doesn't cut it. We're here to make healthy eating fun, remember? So how do we transform those fruits and veggies from meh to mmm? It's all about getting creative and finding ways to make them irresistible. Ever tried frozen grapes as a snack? Pop those bad boys in the freezer for a couple of hours and you've got yourself nature's version of mini popsicles. They're refreshing, they're naturally sweet, and they're a much healthier alternative to that pint of ice cream calling your name. And speaking of healthy swaps, let's talk about smoothies. Smoothies are a fantastic way to sneak in a ton of fruits and veggies, but let's be honest, sometimes they can taste like you're sipping on a garden hose. Pro tip, don't try to make a kale smoothie without adding a banana or some berries. Unless, of course, you like the taste of lawn clippings. No judgment. Here's the thing about fruits and veggies. There are so many different varieties, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Don't be afraid to experiment. Roast them, grill them, sauté them, blend them. The possibilities are endless. And who knows? You might even discover a new favorite veggie along the way. So tell me, what's your go-to fruit or veggie? What are your favorite ways to prepare them? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to eat more of those colorful, nutrient-packed powerhouses. Chapter 4. Healthy fats, your taste buds and body will thank you. All right, let's talk about fats, the good kind, that is. For too long, fats have been demonized, but the truth is, our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, these are the rock stars of the healthy fat world, and they're here to prove that fats can be delicious and good for you at the same time. Let's start with the beloved avocado, the creamy, dreamy fruit that's taken the world by storm. Seriously, avocados can do it all. Spread it on toast, toss it in salads, blend it into smoothies. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about guacamole, the holy grail of avocado creations. Just make sure you have a bag of chips handy, because once you start dipping, it's hard to stop. Next up, we've got nuts and seeds, the perfect on-the-go snack that's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, chia seeds, flax seeds. The variety is endless. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your trail mix, or just enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. And let's not forget about olive oil, the liquid gold that can transform any dish from basic to gourmet. Drizzle it over your veggies, use it as a base for salad dressings, or even dip your bread in it. It's that good. Plus, olive oil is loaded with antioxidants and has been linked to a variety of health benefits. So are you team avocado or team peanut butter? Let's see who wins this battle in the comments. Chapter 5. Hydration Nation, the ultimate guide to quenching your thirst. All right, folks, let's talk about the elixir of life. Water. I know, water might not be the most exciting beverage on the planet, but it's the MVP of a healthy lifestyle. Seriously, water is involved in pretty much every bodily function, from regulating your temperature to flushing out toxins. It's like the behind-the-scenes crew that keeps your whole system running smoothly. Now, I get it. Sometimes plain water can feel a little, well, plain, but don't worry, I've got you covered. There are tons of ways to jazz up your H2O and make it more appealing. First up, we've got the classic additions, lemon, lime or cucumber slices. Not only do they add a refreshing flavor, but they also make your water look super fancy. Feeling adventurous? Try adding fresh herbs like mint or basil for a spa-like experience. And if you're craving a little sweetness, a few berries or a splash of 100% fruit juice can do the trick without all the added sugar. Pro tip: invest in a reusable water bottle that you love. Seriously, it makes a world of difference. Find one that's the right size, has a design you dig, and keeps your water cold, or hot if that's your jam. Having a water bottle on hand at all times will remind you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated can boost your metabolism, improve your skin, and even help you think clearer. Plus, drinking enough water gives you the perfect excuse to take a break because, let's be honest, bathroom breaks count as exercise, right? So tell me, how much water do you drink daily? Be honest, are you crushing it or barely making it past one glass? Share your hydration hacks below. And there you have it, your guide to the best foods for a healthy lifestyle. We've covered everything from the power of whole grains to the importance of hydration, and I hope you've learned some valuable tips and tricks along the way. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. It's all about finding what works for you and your body. Which tip are you going to try first? Are you going to whip up a batch of those delicious roasted chickpeas? Or maybe you're going to experiment with some new smoothie recipes? Whatever it is, I want to hear about it. Don't forget to drop your fitness goals in the comments. We'd love to cheer you on. We're all on this journey together, and we're here to support each other every step of the way. And before you go, make sure to check out the links in the description for more videos you'll absolutely love. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just eat smarter, we've got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, please click the links below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Looking to dive deeper into your wellness journey? Check out our curated playlist for more valuable tips and insights. Click the link below to watch more videos and stay on track with Pure Health Journey. Your support means the world and helps us keep creating the content you love. Thanks, and see you in the next video.